Models spend lots of money to have a better background images. They visit Switzerland, Europe, America to have a better background. If you also want to have images with better background, if you wanna get images in front of Eiffel Tower, if you wanna get images in front of Taj Mahal, so all this possible. So let's start the video. Please subscribe the channel because it takes hours to find the free AI tools for you guys. So firstly, you will have to come to this website virtulook.wondershare.com. Then you will have to go down and you will have to sign up. Here you will have to select if you want to change the background of any character. So you will have to select this. If you want to change the background of any product, so you will have to choose this. So I'll choose this one because to change the character's background. Here you will have to upload the image. The image got uploaded. So firstly you will have to select the character. Just choose it. Just you will have to select all the part of this character. I selected the whole character. Just click on OK. You will have to customize these options. So female, flare, adult, one images, original one. Otherwise you can up a scale up to 4K. So I'll choose original one. And there are already ready-made backgrounds, so you can choose any background you want if you want. Suppose I want to choose this one. Generate now. See, the stadium background is set. Just download it. See the background. Nobody can recognize this, that this background is made with AI. The background is looking like so real. So this is so fascinating. Now I'll show you how you can add a custom background. Just generate new, upload the image, select the character, just select it, the whole character. See, the whole image got copied. Now click on OK. Choose how many images you want to create it. Now click on custom editing. Here you will have to put your input, what kind of background you want. You can give any prompt you want. So I given the prompt in front of Eiffel Tower, Paris. Let's see if they are able to create it. You can choose any prompt you want, like beach, mountains, Switzerland, America. Anything you want, you can choose it. Otherwise click generate. You can see this is magic, guys. You won't believe that this looks so real. Let me download it. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.